So in this video, we're gonna learn to make these beautiful sparks in just 15 minutes. Very easy, very beginner friendly. So let's do this. First, we're gonna make a new project, call it hit sparks. And change the template to high definition RP and create project. Wait for it to open. So when it starts up, we're gonna start by creating a new scene. Scene and call it the hit sparks. And open that scene. Start creating a empty game object. Rename it to hit sparks go. I'm gonna add a particle system to it, and we gonna go into window package manager, see if we have shader graphic on. If you don't have it on, you can scroll down, find it, push install, and you have it. Okay, when you have that on, you can right click, create shader, this one, and you will write sparks shader. Go into that one and change the preview to quartz, change the surface to transparent, the blend to addictive, and make it two-sided so we can see both sides, and smooth it out, create a color, go, create a texture 2D, add default particles, and drag those two out. Go into the color again, change it to white, put the alpha up, and the mode trace DR. Create a new one called sample texture 2D. Take these one and combine, and make a multiply. Take these two and combine, make a vertex color, and make a new multiply, combine these two, and take this one and make it go to color, and create a new one, call it split. Make this one go down to the split, and the alpha here go to alpha there. Change the x to 0. This, save the asset, close it, right click, create material, go, take the particle system, go into render, take the new material, put it over, and go into here, and the texture, take the default particles, see to right. Okay, so now we're ready. This first particle system gonna be the light bulb, and we're gonna change it about it, the duration to 1. We're gonna change the start life to 0.3. We're gonna have the start speed to 0. We're gonna have start size to 2. We're gonna have start color to alpha this, and we're gonna change the, let's see what else, emission, we can change this one to 0 and add this one and let it count. So now it's like lightening up, and then we're gonna go down, move shape, now it's round, and then we're gonna take the color over time, color over lifetime, sorry, and make it, put it on, and random to gradients. This first one will make 150, and this lower one will make 40 this, and we're gonna take the other one and change that one to 64 and this lower one to 28, and we're going to go into the other one and we're gonna take this one and paste it in here and make it a little bit lighter like this. Same over here, make it a little bit lighter. Yeah. And then we're gonna go into the size or lifetime. That on, take this one and make jump back, add a key, the key a bit up, and then we're gonna can we just change the billboard, change the HDR here to 6. Okay, so this will be the light bulb, and we're gonna duplicate it, and we're gonna call this one for sparks. I'm gonna duplicate it again, put it under here and call this one for ray, and we're gonna duplicate it one more time and call this one for flash. So with the sparks, we're gonna go up, gonna change the lifetime to go between two constants, and the first one would be 0.5 to 1.3, and start speed also between two constants, so a lot of variables, 1 to 15, and we're gonna change the star size also between two constants, so 0.05 and 2, and then we're gonna change, let's see, what can we change, the gravity to 1, and we're gonna change the to world, and the emission we're gonna keep it as it is, I think, for now. Color over time, see, we can change the shape, so it will be an angle of 60, a radius of 0.50, and we can change the position to minus this, and let's see, so it's already starting to take shape. Let's see, we have size of lifetime, change that and make it like, just click on this one actually, and then we're gonna go into the rendering. No wait, you need to change the yeah, renderer, and the billboard we're gonna change to stretched, so it's already starting to get in there. And then we're gonna go to the array, we're gonna change a bit here as well. First we're gonna take the start lifetime between two constants and make it 0.2 to 0.4. Start speed not gonna change, we're gonna change this one and have two constants. One will be 2.5, another one will be 1, and this one will be 0.25, and we're gonna see I have rotation also 360 and minus 360 and flip rotation 1. So we're also gonna add the count a bit down to 10. So if we sparks off, the light bulb off. Oh, we cannot see them. And I'm gonna change a bit more. So color over time. I'm gonna change it to one gradient, make it white. I'm gonna set one to white. Up here, we're gonna change the alpha to like 0, and then we're gonna check the size of a lifetime. This one, add a key, put it a bit down, add another key, put it a bit up, add a third key, put it a bit down, like this. And we're gonna go into the render, report. Yeah. So this is just adding details. See all the light here coming out, what we just made. And with the sparks on, see reset. So this is quite nice. You can change it if you want. I actually think I want maybe I want to change the color a bit to go between two colors. This one I will make 150 and this. I want the other one to be almost the same, but a little bit darker, maybe this, and turn it into this. Done. I like that. Okay, and then we're gonna take the flash at the end, lifetime 0.2. Going to change the start size to 6, and maybe that size. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Sorry. And then we're gonna change color over time to gradient, make it white, the alpha to 5, and white, and go 5. And we're gonna change the mission count. It's alright actually. And what can we else change? Wait, we're gonna change the color again because it does look. So let's make it between 2 gradients and just change this back. This, the color, make it I think the same as the rest actually, so we're gonna change it all back to 40, and This one will be the same. So 150, 40, maybe actually. Yeah, it's fine. And then we're gonna change the, let's see, keyboard is fine, and this one is fine. Let's see, it's a bit big, the flash mission count. Maybe even, and then the way I need to type it faster. There we go. So you can play around with this, but this is a fairly easy and fast way to make it. So I hope you learned something. If you want to like learn why I did all the colors and those things, I made 2 videos, which is a lot longer, but you can see why and where I'm explaining more stuff. But thank you for watching.